Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. So my next review is going to be on another J5Create item, the USB HD Webcam JVC U100. So here we are with my assistant Fred. We're going to review the J5Create USB HD Webcam, the JVC U100. Let's take a look at the box here and open it up. He's pretty excited about this one for some reason. Let's go ahead and open it up. We have the product manual, of course, and the product items. He didn't really want that one this time, so we're going to let him have the box. So it's real basic. We just open it up and we have the USB J5Create, and it just comes with the model JVC U100. Comes with cord and the camera, and that's it. With the JVC U100, you can enhance your conference calls with live video and audio. The HD camera is plug and play, meaning there is no driver installation required. The JVC U100 supports 1080p video playback at 30 Hz with H.264 streaming format. The key features is built-in low light enhancement with a focal point of 2.4 aperture lens, has a USB plug and play, high definition 1080p image sensor with wide angle lens. It has built-in Fidelity microphone. The microphone is not available for Discord or Chromebook. It's a standard UVC UAC protocol, driver free. Supports Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS systems. It supports H.264 and MJPEG image formats. The maximum supports 1920 by 1080 by 30 frames per second image resolution. It has a wide compatible Zoom, Facebook, Messenger, Skype, Microsoft Teams, etc. So that's my review on another J5Create item, the JVC U100 HD webcam. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until the next time, I'm out.